Hi everyone! In this video, I'll walk through the updated NTE Increase Request Experience and FM dashboard. To begin, open a work order that has already been accepted. Once the work order is accepted, you'll notice the Submit an NTE Increase button is now visible, although it cannot be selected until you've checked in. Its placement makes it easier to see where the feature is located. There's a tooltip here telling you that this will only be available after you check in. If you need an increase before arriving or after completing the work, submit a quote instead. The Submit Quote option remains available immediately after accepting the work order, allowing you to submit a quote before arriving on site if needed. When you arrive on site and complete your check-in, the Submit NTA Increase button will automatically become active, allowing you to submit an NTA increase request. This enhancement improves the visibility of the NTA increase feature, making it easier for contractors to find and understand when it's available during the work order process.